People went home Friday afternoon, no bridge. Came back Monday morning, bridge.
Bridge.
That was so fast.
It takes months of planning to make it happen,
Yeah.
but in 2 days, we got it done.
Tell us a little bit about the process in getting that bridge up.
We had brought in multiple cranes that are pretty unique to take 9-10 tons at a time. We locked down West Grand Boulevard on a Friday night, and then by Monday morning, we were up and running. This is our third bridge out of 5. This is 426 feet long, 16 feet wide. It's designed to take both patients under care that need to go from one side of the boulevard to the other. It's designed for staff to go back and forth, and it's also designed to take autonomous mobile robots, AMRs, and it's the biggest bridge we have on campus.
And when you look at the bridge, knowing all the planning that goes into it, how do you feel?
For us, it's just such a big part of our strategy of connecting our existing campus, our 1920s building to the future. It feels really good to have it come up. Everything we do is like one more good thing that feels like we're making progress.